Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we are going to learn about how much will I be paid as a contributor to Shutterstock. This episode is structured in two sections. 1. Contributor earnings structure. 2. How do I get paid for my work? Contributor earnings structure. As a Shutterstock contributor, you will earn a percentage of the price Shutterstock receives for licensing your content. There are 6 separate earnings levels for images and for videos, ranging from 15% to 40%. Based on your download count, you can graduate through them, from level 1 to level 6. The more sales you have, the faster you will advance through the 6 levels, increasing the percentage you earn. Your earnings level will be displayed in the dashboard section of your account. On January 1st of each year, your earning level will be reset to level 1. How do I get paid for my work? The payment cycle for Shutterstock contributors is set up on a monthly basis. For the contributors who meet their minimum payout amount, payments are calculated at the end of every month. At midnight, 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time on first day of the month, the payment period ends and a new cycle begins. Shortly after the payment period ends, they start calculating payments. Payments are calculated only for those contributors who are eligible to receive a payment and whose earnings reach the minimum payout amount set in the account. If both requirements are met, they reset your unpaid earnings to 0 and start the process of calculating and issuing a payment. Payment processing. Payment to Payoneer, PayPal or Skrill are usually sent between the 7th and 15th day of the month, unless the 7th falls on a weekend. Payment status. Once the payment has been processed and sent out electronically, it will be reflected in your payment history. Payment methods. Shutterstock currently offers the following payment methods: Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill. In the next video we will learn about how do I sign up to become a Shutterstock contributor. So I will see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I advise you to do so, and also click on the bell to be notified when I post a new video.